Blessed day to you, my lovely subscribers. Blessed day, blessed day. Hope everything is well and all is good with you all. Hope you're in good health, and if financially you're not in good wealth, just continue to pray. We do have ups and downs in life, no matter where we are. Can't up your so and tomorrow we down your so. Things not go pretty every day. But from we have health and strength, and we have life. Where there is life, there is hope. Because Father God not the driver's seat, Yeah, man, and him not crash the bus with we. Once we believe, just believe and have faith. Sometimes it might not come the way we want it. Yeah, but we have to just accept the liquor we get sometimes. Sometimes it just flood with like river come down. Or next time it just coming like when rain a Jew. Anyway, my people, you don't know what to do, just continue to do the do. Like, share and subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Remember to hit the thumbs up when you hit the video. Don't wait till you're done watch the video. Please remember to watch the ads and continue to support the backup channel, lifeisamissiontv. In the description and in the comment section, remember the young entrepreneur college student. Our YouTube link will be in my comment section pin. Go over there and give her a subscription. Respect, help her to reach monetization stage, so at least she have even one more step on her entrepreneur small business she can earn something from, to help her tuition fee. Cause we know it's not easy, college student. It's not easy unless you're a millionaire, family and relatives are a millionaire. And make sure a close relative and family, in a sense, a millionaire. Because me say my millionaire family where them people are suffering all kind of things and I walk a beg. Because everybody count you. Anyway, today, this morning is named Cool, Calm and Collective Morning. When I say it name, Cool, Calm and Collective Morning. But charity recipient, come here. You charity recipient, Marcia, Kakai, Campbell, Curly, TT, you name it. Come here. Me say, you jump, run out, and a repost. The little argument with about lawsuit business and whatsoever. Where Tina China seek relevance and you jump on Tina live and you're dead there. And after jump on Tina live, you were quick to share the live. You understand? But with all we are going in your life right now, from your son saga to now, your credibility, your credential, your lavish lifestyle that you claim in social media that you were financing, when I know you never have the cash up front to finance that lavish lifestyle, but because you're living in America and you have your black book or your blue book and you can wave your book, like a fan blade, a spin, you just wave it, so every minute you ask, how am I do with it? How am I do with it? Oh wait there. On a black, and you wave it. Yeah. I know you got a lot of privilege. Because, America is like that. You have a lot of opportunities. So I was saying, okay, all these travel and tours and trips and whatsoever, it's about your credit card. But me never know say a charity. People with them live cash. You repost the interview that Tina Chin has done. Remember now, But them say bird of a feather flock together. You have your own business and concern right now upon your head, where your credibility and your character is at stake. Cause it a dash out there, or like when dog turn over rubbish pan and the rubbish just dash away. I saw your business out there dash way. And you can take the time out to sit down and listen the woman a yard business as according to Uno. Yes, because from her name call, yeah. No matter what I do to Uno forgot all about it. The man could have poke Uno in the wrong hole. Or when the man have poke Uno in the wrong hole, you don't feel it because the woman name a call on the ears open up. So all the feelings they up in on the ears, yeah, so. No feelings around there, so the wrong hole the man a poke Uno. You understand? As me say, you repost that. But where if you repost, you know, repost. You understand? What you to repost, you know, repost. I can read a little article here, so. Where the wingless one, as me say, I am no friends. I am no acquaintance. I am nothing where this wingless one is concerned. Because she has shown that she don't have no credibility to come out, come talk certain things about people. But since she and this person were close acquaintance, and this little saga go around where it seems more that we would have to lean to the wingless one because of the evidence that we are seeing coming out into the phone. So, I'm going to read a little thing or me see the wingless one post. Good morning, peeps. Marcia came out last night and disrespected me to the utmost and went as far as saying, come suck out her P-U-S-S-Y. As usual, she don't want to do that because I don't know she don't know else to suck. She always talk about breast. Look at but it come like them are poisonous because she never tell nobody if you can't suck them. I get always say someone if I see anything, she tell the man when them come a yard. Or it's just because the man broke her in that by doing it, you know, she just continue to tell she and the old lady if you come do that. Anyway, when she's seen her, you don't know that I read something there. Her famous words, well, that's true, that's her famous word. As I said, nursery rhyme, she just come every day and she cuss everybody in the same way. See, they know she cuss woman the same way. Because basically, a woman that tell man them type of word, yeah, if you get man agitated, you know, if you try, if you disrespect them and probably eat them or so. But that is back in the days when a woman get up and the first thing that she want to tell you because she want you come lick her because she have either a bad man brother or a bad man around the corner or a uncle where she know we come defend it. So she just tell you that quick, come and you run like a idiot. Them the days they done. You can't tell me that all you want, me not looking at you. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Yeah, that's the ultimate disrespect anyone can tell someone. As you can see, I laughed it off, but this morning woke up with vengeance in my heart and was going to drag her off her high chair. It seems to me that the wingless drunker, sorry, I'm not going to call you drunker, sorry about that, I'll take what that one. The wingless was seems to know a lot about Marcia, you know. Yeah, because she was like Marcia chimney, you know. Time Marcia want we are defecate, Marcia sit down pan her, so she know everything in a Marcia belly. So me don't know which part this will go, but if it continue, it might get drastic. Yeah. Was going to drag her off her high chair. Stomp on her crown, drop the mic and walk away. Whoa. But a good fellow blogger called me and begged me not to. This is the wingless, you know. Right, this in our community. Marcia, I deleted some of my posts from yesterday. Not because they were not true, but because even though you hurt me and lie on me, I did not want to give all the rest of bloggers something to laugh and rejoice over. Concerning you, I will still hold it, but please do not continue to spoke. The beer let's end it here. No, sorry. Please do not continue to poke the bear. Let's end it here. By the way, please show a real receipt. No, sir, this ring a bell. Can remember what day I went yesterday? Our son, remember Marcia come up. Oh, I have my own receipts. Watch it play now. Got a phone, you know. Normally I show somebody on phone something and you depend a live, you go so. So the person can read. If them can't read, you bring it up or whatever. Marcia says, oh, I have my own receipt. So but them talk about receipt. I have my own receipt. And she barely passed over the phone. Who could I read that so? But no. We are going to see what's going on here. By the way, please show a real receipt for your plane fare, hotel and train rides that you say you pay half of. Because what you put up on your screen was a printout of your ticket that the lady gave you to board the train. Oh, this printer. Okay. So this printer, autumn and winter. Oh, winter. Yes, winter. Sorry. Not summer, winter, yeah. It send her the boarding pass to the train. So I hit Marcia come a blindfold where I try wave. Watch a wave now. She never give me one of the elephant meme. Wave them when she say, signal the plane. Signal the plane. She just go so. And blindfold us. Watch it. See it, I'm receipt. And we don't see nothing at all. Anyway, let's get back there. Where we're home now. The lady gave you to board the train. That she paid for. Yes, but how much she pay for it? Because if she have a ticket, that she have to send you it. I know you pay for it. If you did go pay for it, you would have a ticket, Marcia. So that is so true. That was not a receipt. Stop playing games and stop lying to the people. That was not a receipt. People, please pray for me so I have the strength to continue holding it. God bless. But listen, we can't pray for you all you want. We pray for you, you know. But the thing is, if Marcia continue to press you, you're going to come like ants, you know. Because remember, you act as if you're beneath Marcia. And Marcia have you beneath her. Despite, you might have 2 shillings more than her. But where the friendship is concerned, as me I go dissect a video here where she said, you know, you keep pushing up into her, even her gala. You understand, you and her wasn't friends. Anyway, receipt will be printed if it comes down to it. But I am hoping she will end it here. So you hear, Marcia? If you got the whole story right, so don't make wingless leak out more than where she will leak out. Because basically, when me I see you, so there's a lot more that the wingless have. And up to this point here, I know you feel some type of way because I've heard you on your live more than one time and you don't sound like the same Marcia where we know. Up to this video when me I go dissect. You understand? It's a long while I haven't heard you call for reinforcement. Long while. Away from when you just did join up and sign over to the next camp and on the pan live back and forth, and that is weeks ago. And for here you call for reinforcement now. I call out everybody name. I wear this there, I wear that there, I wear this there. Simple mean you feel some sort of way. So you want some defense now for kind of cluster up with you, for kind of cheer you up and build you back and build back your confidence. Because right now, you're like a mess in social media, Marcia. Yes, man, it's like a mess. If that whole jail scenario a couple of weeks ago brought you anywhere down from where you were, this even worse. And consecutively, you have brought down the ladder for a big deal. So, people, we're going to dissect one little video, yeah? Because as I say, she run out a post, a repost, the whole situation with the little nasty one there, the little nasty baker with the ringworm all over her hand and Q-Tex all over a baked pudding and cake, give people for name and cupcake. Where I look some relevancy because this is this time of year where our mental status get worse. Yeah, man, our mental status get worse, man. You understand? So the doses of our medication need to step up. Else we're going to see something happen on phone when she dep on live. You understand? You're going to repost the interview. But anyway, make a listener a call for backup. Because I never know so a third world cup me and watch Kingston off.
Poil. Where Tina Chin there? Tina Chin, you need to call me right now. Where Tina Chin, where Lorien there?
Back up.
Where
Kingston
Sophie
off,
there?
third world cup.
Where Flex there?
This is a person we are talking about. She's a one person army and she ain't no gang, you know what she used to say, you know. But all of a sudden, when the pressure reach her and the pressure bust a pipe, she run out one plumber. You understand? Yeah, man. This is somebody who used to come out. Oh, me's a one-man army. Me not join with no gal and no boy. Me no this, me no Tara, me no Wara, me no Sarah. Pressure bust pipe now. She a run out for plumber. You're not supposed to fix your own pipe, man. And this whole situation, I mean, here she create an animosity over. I know I can't see. Well, I have an idea who she attack. But what I'm saying in this video, what she do when me a dissect her? If this woman did have anything near or get any credible source of argument on this person that she's talking about, me, now have somebody have beat me left, right and center for nothing at all. All you know me dash the sugar. Me I get beat in the feet. All you know me nash up the house, me I get beat in the feet. And me get credible argument from credible source. And me come and talk about me a whole argument and me not dash out. Me hear it in a second and before it reach a minute, everybody have to hear it. And you beat me so bad over the years. You have beat me so bad over the weeks, over the months. And you come a whole argument and all you have this jog out all the way you have in your way you hear. I call for reinforcement. What, and then you want to put it out there first before you? When are you under the pressure? Are you to put it out there and make them follow you? All of who name me a call out supposed to hear you with the argument. And say, rotted, I lie. And that a go on? And him a go on, sir? And then them come put for them 3 or 4 cents or 10 cents to it. But it come like a them you want to put it out there. What are you afraid of? You don't believe in the person who tell you or give you the information?
Huh? And you come out of social media and do me so? You come out of social media and do me so?
You might do your son, you a wall back. You see, say you
with
idiot?
them the information there.
And you not let it out?
Like say no fabrication, me have proof.
And you not let it out? How we are wait, man?
You never know, say, God was going to come through for me. What, the Sophie there? Huh? Sophie is here. People, me can't say so much.
Are the weakest link?
But what me tell you, so when me after blood clot, it biggie, it can't big so till.
You are called upon the weakest link now. Sophie there? So I want to Sophie there on live. Sophie there? The weakest link you are called upon, you know. Somebody when nobody they have now watch. So all where you have and the source where you get your things from and where you have on a fabricated story, or it will go out to the wider public. Nobody know what Sophie. Sophie problem of articulating and carry across our message alone make people. You understand? You are gonna say earlier on a video why the woman never take to your platform instead of going to Queen Bee platform. Because Queen Bee, nobody now watch her, you have the big platform. But now you get credible source to give you credible information. And a man where in your skin like ticks and you call Sophie and I call the rest when you have this big platform where you brag and boast about just a few hours or days ago. What better platform for the winter to come on? You know if you call down summer and heart till she end up the sprinter. And you call help now with credible argument and sources that give you the argument.
You don't have nothing over me right now. Me not tell a lie. Kiss me rasclat. God is not God, Father God. This a one ya big two bumbo clot. This a one no compare to when they can tell say me not have me if you could move out by a certain time a Marshall I could come pick me up or whatever it is. This a the me say this a bumbo clot one ya. This a one ya.
It's another bomb. He peak. It's another bomb.
Biggie. Me know definitely when if me want move out, me move out anytime. And I'm glad that you're speaking about it. I am glad me hear Dana.
Shall look at how you do? Look help her, look friend. How Dana name reaching your argument? You now watch Dana, you always a buck up. You soon have a fired way. Nobody can even see your face, cause the fire that the way the buck you buck up, your fire supposed to full of coke and swell and cover your face and come down. Cause every minute a buck you buck up in a Dana live them. Every minute a buck you buck up in a people video them. With your liar self. After you make it your point of duty to watch. As we say, when certain people depend live are like you, all we have to do is just go up on your page and we see the blue dot. So we know you're online and we know exactly where you is. You understand? Not the red dot, you know, we show say you're online, you know, the blue dot. From we see the blue dot and certain people that online, we know exactly where you're there. And then you come talk about buck up. Which part of you buck up?
Me buck up on something you say, when me say, what them say, something like I say, loyalty on Facebook, and me click on it. And me hear you speaking about the issue where take place on Facebook. And me glad that you can say, you can come up with, you can make that, let me make it sure, that you can talk about it. One of the reasons why you can talk about it, because I know that you're in the same position, that you have received gift from people.
So right, not from people, from you. She are not in no same position where she received a company. You look. You look allied, you look defense, and you look company now. Dana no want a friend and a company from you. Don't mix up Dana in this. Why Dana name have to insert in this? Eh? Dana no want no friend from you, man. You and Dana no in the same boat. The only person that have done Dana that and not shown no loyalty to Dana are you. You are the only one where they give her and come chat about it and talk about it. But as me I say, same like how she send back your $500, I see me more you just send, play a big car, you a big deal and send back the woman even $1,000. You talk about you not send back no money because you never ask her feet and she give it to you. Dana never ask if in a hotel stay. Are you half of the night? And then they come and talk about it. You understand? Yeah, you invite Dana over Elsha. Dana never tell you she come at your birthday party. I get up and say, yes, more and come. You invite her. And yet still, Dana come and she pay for what she pay for. You come and talk about the little hotel stay where you give and she give back your money. Already crab, I think the Elsha money she send back, right? No man, yes, right. She send back the money come give you. So just do the same thing, man. And play big and show say you're a big deal and send back the money, but you don't have it to send back.
And people and I receive gift from people. People call me, invite me to stuff, give me stuff. Even when me say no. And them and then come back, come talk about it on social media. So me understand why you take up that issue. So me give you credit for that. Because you are in the same position where you have been given gift. Well,
Dana never in no same position. The only position she in are the one that you give for her. And she have to return it. You understand? So talk for yourself. Now look no friendship yourself. Or look nobody for come stand by your side. And this is why I tell you, say, you know, me know you feel some type of way. With all we are going. And all we are let out where, you know, say most of the public, general public in social media never really know where you come and brag about things. And paint the picture and make an impression like as if, okay, yes, your dirty money I spend and it a show up. Say a lie. Charity trips. Charity trips. Pooling trips. You understand? Yeah.
Can take down the king of social media. The king of bullying on social media.
So I say, so the man that the king of social media. A lie. And you are itch to take him down. The position where you're in right now, if you take down the king, you represent him as the king instead of the queen. And you now do that with them your source of information where you are going like and pretend like you have. But every time you come and talk about you don't have BAM. Every time you come and talk about you don't have big news, it turn out to no news, no BAM.
You don't have nothing for me. You mess with the wrong people. And you trouble people. And you try to use the wrong people. I don't know how you get yourself out of this one. There is no escape. I know you don't have no shame. But this one, I don't know. When you see certain people and them is nobody. I mean nobody.
Then are you that, Marcia? Because your lifestyle where you try to live on social media, where you can't finance, people are fear finance it. And we see why you always have fear beg, that you beg down to all 2 little balloon to decorate your house in a Christmas. We see why you have to always do that, because this is how you're broke. You're broke on charity. You understand? So everything you just feel like people feel just supposed to give to you, finance you. Y'all come and use excuse. Why you not eating any crab leg now and you're not eating any lobster to the people themselves, the sprinter? Your money dry up here now where you used to get who used to finance your lifestyle. Oh, why I stop eat crab leg and lobster for a while now? It's because my doctor said my cholesterol is high. So I have to ease off because, you know, shrimp and those type of stuff, crab, shell food has a lot of cholesterol. So I have to ease off for it because my doctor said so. All of a sudden.
In a position, we call Marcia can't name. Let me tell you, when you see those people on social media, I can spit on them.
You spit by yourself, because you're supposed to spit by yourself too. You're supposed to spit by yourself too if somebody cares. So you spit by yourself.
You see someone woman with on social media that is getting paid. If it costs me, just make sure I have full evidence of that.
So when
you see, people, what I want to tell you, you see 13 and Matlock, they're getting paid to curse me. And imagine you come and curse a woman for them a little bit of money there. Those 2 individuals get a monthly paycheck for curse me.
Yes, they have got a monthly paycheck. They might get paid, of course. Because it is simple, they're a co-host of a platform. It is obvious that they are a co-host of a platform. So the owner for the platform must contribute towards them. So they must get a monthly paycheck or a monthly salary. No matter how small you want to say it is or what, them agree to it, nothing wrong with that. Every make a muckle. So if the man give them a monthly salary for being his co-host, how much you say the man get up from around him chair and Matt like just a talk a go so like she was the host, and you know see the man where are the host. When him want a break, if you go use the bathroom or go do something, and when Matt like there, and him call Matt like come on, and him de till him get up go do him, and do a Matt like hold the fort till him come. 13 the same. So they are co-hosts. So basically, yes, they're getting paid to cuss you. You understand? And not just you alone. Anybody is the topic on the night, on the day. So what you talk about? The people that might get paid. Nobody never asked you that. You make it look like individual other people are paying them to cuss you. Oh, probably, okay. probably the alliance and the association with the Kingston and the Sprinter, you feel like you have to just come to the conclusion and they say, okay, them a get paid because you figure more or less the Sprinter a pay the Kingston. Oh, me understand you.
It's me. Before you go look, before you have a youth, before you go sell some goods and open one little shop down at your place and take the money where you make. You come on social media, cost good people, citizen of America. Citizen of America. Me have my money, me have my goods, then me have my job, me have my life, me have my social security benefit, and you come across me. I don't have nothing more to say. But let me tell you something. You say if I'm like you, me no mention my name none at all. Me no mention my name none at all.
Marcia, you don't have nothing at all. You can't come tell nobody where you have no more. You have been exposed that you have nothing at all. You have been living off charity. You're a recipient. Whether with the Sprinter, with somebody else named Harter, somebody else named Summer, somebody else named whatsoever. You have to live off of charity. People have finance your daily living. Because you comes out and say you're not on the same video, say you're not make nothing on the sheet them. And you feel so ashamed when you go to say you're not making probably 1, 5 or 10 that when you realize what you're going to say, you stop talk. Because basically, your same friend Queen Bee when you give number for call about the sheet them after she wanted. How much years as well you are saying, you finally get it. Call and investigate how much for sheet and whatsoever, and no man say you must pay $9.99. For what quantity amount of sheet, I don't know. But I couldn't 4 sheet, you pay $9.99 for, and I sell back 4 sheet for $100. So basically, probably, I want half dozen sheet, you pay $9.99 for. You understand what I say? So you don't have nothing. The one bag of rubbish you have in your house where you talk about, you just want to pack them up and think, or you don't want to carry them when you're moving. You just want to ship them to Jamaica. Jamaica look like dumpling to you. Why you not ship them to all of the destination them where you go? On your cruise. All of the destination them where you go all over the world. When you say you reject Jamaica, you don't want to come to Jamaica, you're tired of Jamaica, you're not coming back to Jamaica. So why now you want to come back to Jamaica, come dump your rubbish? So Jamaica taking everything from all foreign country, we not take nothing from no individual. You understand? Nothing from no individual. Keep your rubbish them with you, your dry rotten things them where you carry come about, sail out, and the agent you go rent place and get to one place for you put and you go come down and you have a little thing and you go sell out cheap. Nobody no want that for buy. Because I mean, see one slippers you value $5, you say $2 feed. It not gonna worth it for me. Despite a $3 less than weight value, you sell me for it not worth it for me, Marcia. Because by the time I push my 2 a night and go down the road, so it bust out. So no better make a buy one for $10. Nothing what you have in your house where you can't come to Jamaica, but you pack boxes then come have sale, no good. And we are gonna call the Jamaican authority, we are gonna make customs stop them goods there. We are gonna make customs stop them goods there, Marcia. Because we don't have nowhere to store no rubbish. Riverton City landfill almost full. You understand? And we not gonna make you come dump nothing in the sea or in the gully them. The landfill them in Jamaica almost full. Keep your rubbish America. A first world country in them find landfill to put it. We hardly can't find a new landfill. You know long them want to move Riverton and can't move it because them can't find a proper place.
Marcia for call. Yes, especially this a particular person.
Especially.
This a particular person. You know long. Me want revenge for that blood.
Sometimes as me saying, sometimes we attack on the flow of how we attack. Sometimes, as we know, we Jamaican don't pronounce words properly. Because you never gonna hear nobody in Jamaica talk about water. A few. A water we say. And it pronounce water. You understand? Even me, sometimes when me say boy, when me I say entrepreneur, me I say entrepreneur. So yes, we do know say sometimes we don't pronounce the word properly. Just like how sometimes you go into the comment and you see a person spell a word. I don't say the person can't spell. Sometimes it's either typo error is either the person spell according to how them pronounce the word. Cause if you supposed to spell a word where you pronounce it a certain way, you're going to try to spell it a certain the way how you pronounce it. Not the correct way how it's spelling it, it's how you pronounce it. So if you don't pronounce it the proper way, you're going to spell it the wrong way. So when say I spell the person can't spell, it's just a pronunciation because you spell according to how you pronounce. You understand? And you have the next one where it go like when you start right. So for instance, you write out madam. Forgot how them call that type of text there. Say you write out madam, from you reach MOT, it just spell it out. Headspace and there for that now. Headspace they have to deal with Marcia, but you don't understand what I mean. So yes, but not like you, Marcia, where continuously, even when you repeat the word 2-3 times back to back, you still say the same thing, you know, catch up to the wrong thing you say, or you pronounce it the wrong way.
Clat, you know how long me want revenge? You know how long I want revenge? Up off of me. Up off of me. You don't have nothing on me right now.
But you don't have nothing upon the man neither because you have it and you not release it.
Go on your ways up off
You must be mad.
If you know
I'll make that release before the... Alright, if I may have all that the story there before the person don't tell me about the story, so them I tell me I saw me I chatted. Yes, I gone for my life, so you tell me I saw me I chatted. So you tell me, when me a wall? How me want nail this a person who nail me for years, months and weeks? You must be mad.
If you know a good fear for information for slice over social media, go on about your business and leave me alone. Go on about your business.
You don't seem to have nothing upon
Go
this
on
man.
about your business.
It's either you get some information, but you don't trust the source. It's either you get some information, but it not sound legitimate to you. Because me, you say, them your man, you cost me, but me not live nowhere. And them not live nowhere, and them not have nothing. And you have your green card, so basically it's like you say, which part of the people then put him out? Him not have nothing. The piece of old car, it alone him have, which I don't know if I the new one where the man in a drive up and down. Plus, you're going to say you have, I remember about them. I remember about them is an American citizen. Like you're trying to say, him not straight. But we'll leave that alone. We'll wait for you. We not try if it wonder what you say. We want you come out, come say what you say.
People, me just want to give you the exclusive, you know. Me say break some exclusive. A particular person out here will come and show off himself for me. And that disgrace me. That person have nowhere to live.
Disgrace. And you not come out for
that
him.
Person have nothing at all. Not
where
even
you
a dollar in their
pocket. Where you strain. Let it go. You don't have nothing well.
You understand me? Right now, the person... Me shut up my mouth.
Whoa! Make a wipe sweat the car.
Just put it like that.
The car hot and the sun right over the mango tree.
I have a house to live. Me have my money to get my place. Me look my place already. I have my place put on already. Me just have to take out the things out of storage, give me have to give it, and carry them I want to carry and put in what I want to put in.
Be all broke you want to give people. Well, dump them there. Rubbish eat them there for go.
Really? I saw me do things. Me wait, me put things. Me have to put the things them in a. Me not carry too much cockroaches with me. So me I carry all the merchandise them and all the things.
I'm glad you know say cockroaches, but I think you should label it as rubbish. Because cockroaches can be good things, you know, but you call it cockroaches because you say, chum, I don't want them no more. I left them here. But label them rubbish, man. Garbage. All the way you have stored up in your place in a box all about with all kind of rat shit and rat piss. Leptospirosis. You not afraid of it? Rat shit and you got touch all them sitting and put it under your mouth and angle your food. Leptospirosis. All kind of roach egg. Rubbish them man. Just draw them out and call one van for go dump them, man. Where you want to carry come to Jamaica? Where you want to give to people? Are them that sitting there you want to give to people? Where you wouldn't take from nobody?
I'm in a storage and then I go over there go sort them out. And then I go in my apartment, I give them my furniture, then I get new stuff for that I plan to do.
Move. But you give your furniture them and get new stuff. Probably the apartment where you rent is a furnished apartment you rent. Don't fool nobody. You don't have no money to do that. You don't have no money to do that. And we sure know that. But give your furniture them and buy new furniture. You, Marcia? No, sir. Tell somebody else that. I mean, I think the jackass them on social media, but you and your friend them. Go tell them that. Marcia, go tell your friend them that, Marcia. Not tell we that, Marcia. Not tell sensible people that, Marcia. Tell you and your friend them that. All of the name them you call earlier on in the video. Call them and tell them that. Say you go, you go sell all your furniture them or give them and whatsoever and buy a new one. I rent a furnished apartment. No fool nobody. If so be the case, it's a furnished apartment you get for rent. So you don't have nowhere to put the present furnitures. So you have to sell them. But what a hell and calamity. If 3-4 months down the line you get notice on this. So look how you have to go walk and always a rent furniture apartment now, no? Because when you buy a couple years ago, you can't buy now, you know. Because if a couple years ago you say you're a big deal and can't hardly afford. Now when you come down to waffle daffle, shrubble dabble, and shrink down and shrivel down, you're going to start back life again in buying for new furniture. So right now you have to go continue for rent furnished apartment after you rent that one, you know. You try to live good with the people them that you're surrounding and make sure you live good with your landlord and make sure your landlord is not a hungry person and make sure your landlord nice. Because right now, you know, if you ever go with certain behavior at that the place there and the people them in your surrounding never feel dislike you and fight against you and your landlord have to give you notice, you have to continue. Look furnished apartment, remember that.
And give me stuff them. I'm shipping out to Jamaica. So I have to go into the storage, go ship the box them to Jamaica. Merchandise is coming to Jamaica, people. I'm going to have a sale out. I'm going to try see if me not December is not possible. Because I have too much things to buy. In the next year, I'm going to ship out here and then when I come down, me and the angel will do one little spot and then make the angel promote me and we do some things and get one little space and we put it on the paper and anything me have, I just come buy it out.
That the woman they could even promote her own store where she have much less feet to sell nothing. So who she gonna promote you? Eh? How she gonna promote you and she have fair store where she could even promote? Right now, even if the store still a go on. But the store was in no swinging mood. Sometimes I wonder all them people they pay rent for them places where them rent uptown. But anyway, Jamaica not a dump lady. Keep your rubbish to yourself. Keep your garbage to yourself. Keep it in your first world country, America. Now come take Jamaica for no dump land, man, with your whole pack garbage, but you go box up and come down here. Could you too? Move for yourself, man.
You can't embarrass me. I just let you know that you can't embarrass me.
No, all the thing, Marcia, you have been embarrassed.
You feel a certain way. You feel a certain you feel a get bigger in the
West Spicer, you feel a way, Marcia.
Intelligent, where you could have do and do things in a one way where you never have to try to put down my business. And just to let you know, I don't pay $9.99 for my sheets. You understand? And me selling my sheet them for $25 and $30. Me have to buy boxes. Me have to buy tape. Me have to put gas in my vehicle. And my gas costs almost $100 round trip. Me have to pay a toll. And me have to lift up the box. Me have to drive. It's a lot of work. And to see you as somebody who have been trying to get the number from me for over 2 years now. And me just finally give it to you. Me not in a competition. Give it to anybody where you want to give it to you. Because none of you can stop my blessing. Me just want to make sure. So when you go on your page and you say the sheet them don't cost $9.99. And me, I am the one who pay taxes for every sheet that every box is. It's the support sense. The Listen. People who shop from me don't charge them Connecticut taxes and I'm supposed to pay. If me got 1.99 store, me have to pay the 8 cent pan it or 5 cents. Me no bother me. So, me no business where you want to write up about apartment and that, cause that no face me, cause me have me proof. What hurt me when tears come out of me eye, people, is to see she come up.
So all you say you no feel no way. And what hurt is when tears come out of your eye. You're not supposed to cry in a long water, man. And the tears are supposed to drop out of your eye if you're not feeling a way. But even now, just your tone of voice what you have, you can hear in your voice, so you feel a certain way. You feel a certain way as well, Spice would say. You understand? I feel a way, I feel the way.
After asking me for the number for almost 2 years. And when I was talking to my friend, I said, mighty God, I can't believe say you write that up. I said, tears drop out of my eye. I say, imagine. As somebody was speaking to me from 2015. Everywhere I go, you follow back at me.
Tell you.
I go to Jamaica birthday party, you fly down.
Listen.
Even the cruise, me and you not me, even the cruise. Me and you not you know, we was whatever, but whatever. Even the gala you come, and me and you wasn't even speaking. Me and you wasn't even speaking that much when you come to the gala, you know. So if you love me so
people, she's talking about her acquaintance. Queen was. The wingless was. You understand? Because she's no bee, you know. Because bee is very important to the nature of life. You understand? Bee make honey. I don't know what was to. You understand? And it's so unfortunate that when a bee sting you one time, that's the end of him. Because for him sting you, him strength gone. So you see him start pitch all about to him. When a wasp can sting you and bite you all 4 or 5 times. So them always ask the question, why good people have to go home? So probably I see him case here. Why the wasp when I produce nothing to nature like that can sting you 4 or 5 times? Marcia 2, 3 times now you get sting from the wasp, you know. She ain't no bee, she a wasp.
much that remember you came to, because I mean the way me and you talk and whatever, and you know say whatever, the tension. I thought you wasn't coming to my gala. But you came. Me always accept you. We had a relationship, a love-hate relationship. Come here, try.
She want to bust your business, Marcia. Probably at that, you know, she want to bring you down. So in order to bring you down, she have to get close to you. Because only your friend know your secret. So only he can reveal it.